Hey y'all, if you got a sweet tooth, then this one's for you. Right, so you've already read the title. First, we are going to start by infusing our butter. I have cold butter that I'm going to grate and put into a mason jar, and I'm going to pour the bourbon and some liquid smoke over the butter, and I'm going to refrigerate it for 24 hours. So I'm grating my butter, and then I'm just going to put everything in, and I will have the measurements listed in the description box, and I am going to make sure I press the butter down. I'm going to add the bourbon, and then I think about a tablespoon of liquid smoke is what I used. Right, so I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator and let it do its thing for 24 hours. I'm also going to save this bourbon. I'm going to refrigerate it, and I have a nice little recipe coming up that I want to use with this here. So we're going to start making our cookies. We're going to put our butter in a bowl along with our sugar, our vanilla, and our eggs, and we're going to beat everything. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of some more of that liquid smoke, just to make sure that everything is infused and flavorful. Just going to give this a good mix. Okay, so next I'm using 2.5 cups of flour. I'm adding half of the flour, and I'm just going to mix this in. I'm also going to add my baking soda and my salt. The remaining flour. Once everything is mixed, then I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, and I'm just going to fold them in to make sure I don't overwork the dough. I'm just going to fold this in, and then I'm going to get a lined baking tray. I also have my oven preheated to 350, so I'm just going to mix everything, and I'm taking heaping tablespoons. You can make them any size you want. I made about 8 cookies with this, and the cookies are really big. So I'm just going to add all those cookies, and then some of my chocolate chips melted, so I just chop them coarsely with a knife, and then I'm gonna put those on top of the cookies. All right, so the cookies are gonna go in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes on 350, and then once they're out of the oven, before they cool, sprinkle a little bit of coarse sea salt, and these came out so amazing. I could taste the bourbon and the smoke and the sweetness. If you guys try these, let me know how you like it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.